Hi my friends, this is Ian again, owner of Buildabizonline with another tutorial video. Now what I want to cover is a few methods that you can use advertising. The general ways that affiliate marketers advertise. Now if you can hear a slight whirling in the background, it's quite warm here in the UK today and I've got a sweat on. So I've got the fan on. Okay, so that's what the little noise is. I've had to shut all the windows because I want to make a video for you good people. Now, obviously, if you are a seasoned pro affiliate marketer, then you will have a list of advertising programs that you use. Okay, so this is for those that are unsure or do not have any idea how to advertise their programs page, their affiliate marketing programs, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to use three methods, hopefully three methods. Okay, co-op advertising, which is what Ian Stewart, the owner of Buildabizonline, uses. Okay, because Ian Stewart hasn't got time to surf all day, but I'm going to show you also traffic exchanges where you do surf. You view somebody else's website and then they will view yours. That's how it should work. Okay. And I'm going to show you a method where you can do that by surfing around about 10 sites or, something like that. A number of sites quicker using a gizmo called Quick Clicker or Click Quicker, whichever way you want to say it. Okay, and then what I'm going to try and do is get a young lady called Diana Mum, who owns one of the programs in our list, which is the Mountain High Viral Mailer, and she will show you how to use her mailer and all the others out there that are going. But we have got a recommended list of advertising programs. Okay, now you've seen this video. What have all these got in common? All these people here that we see on that list. You've got Castrol, there's Oral-B, I use that by the way. Subway, I use Subway. There is no Walmart here, I don't think. There could be in London. But all these spend billions on advertising. Well, you don't need to do that. You can spend some, but you won't have to spend billions. Okay. Now it does pay, it always pays to upgrade in certain programs. Okay, I will tell you that you'll get more benefits, more credits, more advertising credits, and so on and so forth if you upgrade it. But there's three methods of doing it. But I've always said if you want to make money, you have to spend money. And that's true. And that's true of all these people here. We know that you haven't got billions. I haven't got billions. If I had, I possibly would have sold Buildabizonline onto somebody else, and I'd be sitting outside of some bar or a pool or sorry. Okay, but we have to work. We have to do a bit of work. Now, one of the programs I'm going to be showing you about today is the Downline Builder. Now, this is co-op advertising. Okay, so I'm going to take you over there. I've got to shut a few. Let me just shut a few of these. If you see it flashing, you know what it is. But I use RoboForm. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to choose a login, and then I'm going over to the TE Downliner. Okay, and this is a co-op. Oh, I love this game. Just 1 second, guys. Ooh, wait, not. Oh, you beauty, 30. Thank you very much. So they are 30 advertising. I love that game. Anyway, let's get over to the members area. Stop playing. Okay, now this is the members area of the downline, the downliner. Now, what I want to do, I want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I'm going to show you this. Look, you see this here, facts. Now, what is co-op advertising? Well, it's a program where you can add your links Okay, and you should always add your links 3 times to get more coverage. And then this company, Co-ops, they send those links out to hundreds of sites. Okay, possibly even some of the sites that you are surfing before you started watching this video. So now let's have a look. We've got to have a look. We'll have a look where it is now. Right, where are you currently showing my sites now? This is going to blow you off your seat. So how would you like to promote all of your links, or your links, your programs page link, your splash page link, your 10 banner, and all your other programs on all these in one go? These have been tried and tested. Can you see this, guys? We haven't finished yet. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. There are hundreds, if not 1,000. Okay, so that's the difference. Now, if you go into here, now let's have a look at advertising and have a look at my campaigns. We'll click on there, and I've got the $1 trial running at the moment, okay, which I need to change out sometime. But people are looking at this, and I've put it in 3 times. So these links, this URL here, will be going out to all of those websites. So that's one method of advertising. Now, like I say, I haven't got the time. I haven't got the time to surf. So what I did here, I upgraded just by clicking on here. I upgraded to a specific level, and that affords me a lot more perks, okay, and a lot more advertising. So that's one method. Okay, so let's get on with method 2. Let's get over here. Now we're going to look at traffic exchanges now. So this is a traffic exchange, Jungle Clicks Pro. We've got our own Buildabiz ad exchange. So we've got Fast and Furious, and now this is a really good one. This is a really good one. Okay. And so is Social Surf You. So we've given you a list to choose from. Oh, and by the way, this is Mountain High Mailer that Diane Mum owns. Okay, and I'm going to try and get a video from her to show you how it works. Okay, that's what I'm going to do for you good people. And there's another one here, Premium Traffic, which is also a viral mailer. This is good, and I've earned some money with it, so I am pleased. So let's get on with traffic exchanges right now, okay? And I'll show you how to surf, and I'll show you how to do it quicker. Okay, my friends? So thanks for listening to this video, and we'll get on with the next one.